Right, guys, welcome back. So remember how I told you that I thought the measurements were incorrect? Well, come to find out, they were incorrect. So I called the guys at Welder Series and explained to them what my thoughts were, and they're like, yeah, it's wrong. So these notches, those notches right there, those are your spindle height, no matter what. So what happens is I had my truck way too low. I mean, it was gonna be low. You guys remember the previous video where the towers are, the towers were like that high. There was only like 1/8 of an inch. Now check them out. Now everything is nice. Comes down. Check out that side. My cross member. I thought I was gonna have to buy another cross member, but pretty much for the past 4 or 5 hours, it's been measurement after measurement. I pretty much raced the truck about 2 7/8, almost 3 inches. Now you can see here where I'm not having any issues with my shocks, my my spindle. Look at that, I didn't even have to race it up. It's there. My lower control arm is going to have enough room to move up and down. Upper control arm as well. I did not have to notch my frame. I think I still might have to notch the frame here when we put the steering rack, but we'll find out once I get the steering rack. Or actually I could just take a measurement, and you measure from this line here, and if it's more than, I believe, 3/8 from here to here, from the bottom of the frame to that line, then I will have to notch it. But it won't be that big of a notch. It'll just probably be whatever this is right here. So yeah, I'm super excited. The guys at Welder Series, DW Horton, super cool dude. He helped me out. Whatever questions I had, he was able to answer them for me, and he kind of gave me a little bit of guidance on, I could do this or do that. But pretty much at the end, I did what I wanted to do. I did not want to. I figured if I bought another cross member, I was more than likely gonna commit the same mistake. So the easiest thing to do was to race the truck. No matter what, I was gonna have to race the truck. So I'm just glad that I didn't have to buy another one. So now those $200 can go towards something else. So that's awesome. So yeah, pretty easy. Now it's pretty easy. So now I'm gonna box this in, weld it all in. Well, I'm not gonna weld it all in yet. I'm still gonna wait to get my rotors. I'm still gonna mock everything out the way that I wanted to mock everything out, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment. Thank you.